Hello and welcome team. Here's the video for our reference and guidelines. Replacing the burrs. Tools needed. Remove the screws on both sides of the faceplate. Do not remove the large calibration screw in the center of the grind selector knob. The faceplate and grind selector knob will now come off as one piece. Remove the cap and shear pin. Carefully remove the front burr and shaft. Unscrew front burr from auger rotor. Remove any coffee buildup. Not use water or cleaning products on the burrs or burr housing. Place the new front burr on the auger rotor. Screw the new front burr onto the auger rotor. Remove screws from back burr. Remove the old back burr. Remove any coffee buildup. Screw the new back burr into the grinder. Make sure shaft is pointing up before installing front burr. Reassemble the shaft, shear pin, and front burr. Install front burr over shaft. Replace the cap. Replace the selector knob and faceplate. Screw the faceplate back onto the grinder. Tighten the screws evenly. You have now successfully replaced burrs.